Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, body damage, anything cosmetic that we can find. So here on the front right wheel, got the black Rhino wheels. They look amazing. Tires look awesome. Got the Rhino lined fender flare here. Now the paint's not perfect by any means. You're going to have lots of little imperfections. So you can see that. Little touch-up areas, little scuffs here and there. I see chips and scratches. Mirror looks good. Little scratches on the window. Typical scuffs and scratches. Now you do have some damage down here. See little scuffs and scratches all throughout the body. That fender flare looks good. Tires look awesome. That wheel looks amazing. Those steps look really nice. That looks good. All right, looking at the engine bay. Try to get up close here. Just kind of scanning through this. Looking at the front end, got this awesome looking rope. Got the metal covers here. They're fastened on there really well. I don't see anything broke. This is all in really good shape here. Typical little scuffs. All of this is in great condition. That side looks good. All of this is secure. Looks like that rivet's popped out. This one's tight. That bumper looks good. I'll try to get under here so you can see. Definitely a lot of corrosion. All right, checking out the driver's side. Wheel looks amazing. Tires look good. Fender flare looks nice. Typical scuffs and scratches. Larger chip there. Snorkel looks good. Mirror looks nice. Little scratches all throughout the doors. This one is really, really hard to shut. Sometimes you got to do it 6 or 7 times. You can see some overspray on all the trim here. That flare looks good. Those wheels and tires look amazing. All of that's secure. Some scratches here. And then looking at the back, that wheel looks good. Brand new tire. Little crack right there. This bumper looks amazing. All that rhino lining looks nice. Some damage right there. Checking out the back, you can see all the overspray here was painted. Overall, it looks really good back here. Typical scuffs and scratches. A little hole there. That headliner looks like it's in good condition. Here on the driver's side, handles on there secure. Windows are really easy to roll up and down. Overall, that panel is in great condition. Just kind of scanning through this. Little rip here. Overall, that seat looks really good. You got a little rip here. The seat belt's chewed up pretty good. That bolster looks awesome. Overall, this seat looks amazing. You can see the aftermarket console. It is missing the little inserts there. Got the JVC unit there. Overall, this side's in good condition. You do have your typical wear on the steering wheel. See, it's kind of chewed up and dry rotted. Headliner looks good. Here on the back right door panel, see that is tore up. Window works good. Handles on there secure. The seats look good. There's a rip on the seat back right there. Here on the back left door panel, typical little scuffs and scratches. That works really good. Overall, the back seat here looks nice. Seat back looks good. Looks like we have some speakers under here. Here on the front left door panel, handle's nice. Window works really well. You have a kill switch here. And then you got your trickle charger. Now this seat is really dingy and dirty. Has a rip right here. That side looks good. Upper section looks really nice.